Peak H6054 Sealed Beam 6000K LED Headlight. The Peak H6054 Sealed Beam 6000K LED headlight is a high-quality product that delivers exceptional performance and reliability. Designed by the renowned brand Peak, this headlight offers several unique features that make it stand out in the market. One of the key features of this LED headlight is its color temperature. With a 6000K rating, it emits a bright white light that enhances visibility, ensuring a safer driving experience. The clear lens further improves light transmission, allowing for better illumination of the road ahead. The Peak H6054 Sealed Beam LED headlight is specifically designed for use as a car headlight. Its compatibility with a wide range of vehicles makes it a versatile choice for car owners. Whether you have a sedan, SUV, or pickup truck, this headlight is sure to fit seamlessly into your front lighting system. Another noteworthy feature of this product is its exceptional waterproofing capability.